Some breaking news at this moment. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has reached Dadri in western Uttar Pradesh to meet the victim of, in fact, to meet Mohammad Ikhlaq's family. Mohammad Ikhlaq is the person who died in that very tragic and sorry incident. These are pictures that you see on your screen right now of Rahul Gandhi's motorcade reaching that village in Dadri. We've got Anindo Banerjee joining us on the phone line with all the latest. Anindo, has he been allowed inside that village to meet the family?
So, Sanket, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has reached the village where Mohammad Ikhlaq used to live, and he's gone to meet the family. We don't know as of yet whether he is meeting the family or not, but because we are a bit far away, considering the fact that the security issues involving the Vice President, he is a protectee. But we believe that he is meeting the family because he has gone inside the village right there up till his motorcade has gone up till the household of Mohammad Ikhlaq. That's what we are told by our sources inside the village. That's right.
One would presume that if he's in that particular village where this incident has happened, he would have come to meet the family itself. However, Anindo, we do appreciate that you are standing at a little distance away from the village, because we here at India Today respect Mohammad Ikhlaq's son's appeal that the media as well as politicians must leave him alone to mourn in isolation, so that they can mourn, the family can mourn the death of Mohammad Ikhlaq. It seems the politicians are not learning their lesson at this moment. First it was Kejriwal. He was not allowed inside initially by the administration, but later he did manage to meet the family and came out and gave a reaction as well. Since yesterday we have been seeing these high-profile visits to Dadri, including that of MIM chief Asauddin Owaisi, and now even the Congress Vice President has reached that particular village. Rahul Gandhi is also, office of Rahul Gandhi has also tweeted this. We'll put up those graphics on the screen in just a short moment. There you are. That's what Rahul Gandhi's office has tweeted in Dadri to meet Mohammad Ikhlaq's family. It'll be interesting to see whether he will be allowed by the UP police to go ahead or not, because initially we saw a little bit of drama earlier in the day when Arvind Kejriwal, the head of Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi Chief Minister, decided to go there. We are yet to get any pictures of Rahul Gandhi inside that village. We just have visuals of this motorcade going in. Ashar Ahmed Khan is now on the phone line with us. Ashar, the Congress Vice President decided to visit Mohammad Ikhlaq's family after perhaps, there was huge criticism over politicians being there in the first place. How does the Congress explain this step?
Well, the Congress, it appears, is a confused lot at the moment. There was no prior program of the Congress Vice President since he's come back yesterday morning. He was nowhere visible yesterday. Today also, there were repeated calls to his office, but there was no confirmation. The only confirmation we got today was that the Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Nirmal Khatri, then the General Secretary in charge Madhusudan Mistry, former Ministers Jitin Prasad and Arjun Singh will be visiting Dadri tomorrow. Now, Rahul Gandhi, trumping all of them, decided to go today itself. So clearly, there seems to be some mismatch as far as strategy is concerned. While on the other hand, the Congress party is maintaining that the Congress Vice President has gone there to share the grief and sorrow of the family. But there are two questions which raise themselves. The first question being that what was the Congress party doing in the last 2, 3, 4 days since this incident has happened? No senior leaders of the Congress party from Uttar Pradesh had gone and visited the family. A. B. The thing is there that when there has been constant criticism that leaders are going there and disturbing the peace of that area and playing politics, why is the Congress Vice President there? These are questions which the Congress party will have to answer.
Absolutely. As Ashar Ahmed Khan there is pointing out that obviously the Congress party had no prior information that the Vice President is actually going to go there. In fact, it came to the utter surprise of senior Congress leaders who were planning to go there tomorrow. But Ashar, do you think that it would do more damage than good at a time when the family is very openly appealing? And we here at India Today have also agreed to that appeal, because we also feel that the family must be left alone at this point in time. That is why the media is standing at a little distance. With politicians, continuously going there, and Rahul Gandhi no less, this would do more damage than good.
Well, absolutely, politicians will always play politics, and that is exactly what is playing itself out in the last couple of days. We've seen high-profile visits from Asduddin Owaisi, Rahul Gandhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Now, these are things which are constantly playing themselves out. But yes, there is an appeal by the son of Lady Clark, who was murdered in that incident, that the family should be allowed to grieve alone in peace, and there should be a closure to this incident. And also, there is the other son who's in the hospital battling for his life. But yes, we're seeing that these high-profile visits are continuing. Now, we will have to wait and watch as to what the Congress party does as far as tomorrow's planned visit is concerned.
Okay, Ashar Ahmed Khan, many thanks for joining us at this moment. We'll come back to the story as and when we get more pictures. Let's quickly play out a reaction from earlier in the day when Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal had a dramatic exit and entry into this village in Dadri.
कोई किसी तरह की लड़ाई नहीं हुई आपस में किसी परिवारों के अंदर। आज तक हिंदू और मुसलमान को लेके कभी कोई बात नहीं उठी इस गांव के अंदर, लेकिन अचानक जो इस तरह की ये घटना हुई, ये बहुत ही दुखदाई है। तो ना तो हिंदुओं का फायदा हुआ, ना मुसलमानों का फायदा हुआ, सारे परिवार दुखी हैं, सारा गांव दुखी है। इससे किसको फायदा हुआ? केवल नेताओं को फायदा हुआ। इससे किसको फायदा हुआ? केवल पार्टियों को फायदा हुआ। पार्टियां हिंदू और मुसलमानों के बीच में जहर घोल के एक पार्टी हिंदुओं को अपना वोट बैंक बनाना चाह रही है, एक पार्टी मुसलमानों को अपना वोट बैंक बनाना चाह रही है। ये बिल्कुल गलत है।